is... Alright, so first of all, I've got my special pendulum that was handmade, especially for me, and it's quite powerful, so we'll just show you that one. And as you can see, it's just pointed, pendulum, standard chain and everything. Okay, and so all we need to do is... Okay, so first things that we have to do with the pendulum is to charge it up. So either you can charge it up with your crystals, or what you can do is you can put energy into it. This was actually made by Lucas's mum, and it's the rainbow effect, which is the most powerful. So we always start off in the center, always put a hand underneath it because it gives the energy, and then what we need to do is find out what yes and no is. The quickest way is just to ask it, what is yes? And then take it back to the middle, and what is no? And so now you've got a basis. So all the questions that you have to answer, you have to make sure that they're yes and no questions. And that's basically it. So we will get through the list and see what we can find out from. Yeah, introduce yourself.
Hi, I am the master. Oh dear, Facebook's gone weird.
Go on then, carry on.
It's gone. It's gone.
Just go to the comments. I can always cut all this out.
Okay. Right.
Introduce yourself.
Hello. I am Lucas, if you don't know me already. I am the mastermind psychic's son.
Also, it takes the Michael out of his dad. A lot.
Yeah, I might do a little bit.
And you can where can we find you on the internet then, Lucas?
Oh, well, I have a Twitch channel which is for streaming.
And what's that called?
It's called Bradshaw Banter.
And you do singing on there as well, don't you?
I do singing and chatting and gaming. That's what I do.
Okay, cool. So
Okay.
you're helping me today with some questions.
I am indeed. I am going to read out some questions that have been asked. So, Polly Harnett says, was my dog Tino Winston Churchill in a previous life?
Okay, let's go to the answer. And that's no.
Okay. Sarah Smith says, will I maybe get any toilet roll over the weekend, or am I wasting my time looking?
Oh, it's a tough one. Everybody's desperate for toilet rolls at the moment. That's yes.
Okay. Did Tino the dog Polly Harnett again?
Yeah. I did say funny ones, and I think Polly's come up with the...
Did Tino the dog dry hump my head when having a play fight because he loves me? She didn't like it.
That's yes.
Debbie Partner says, will we be successful with Anne Marie this month? Please and thank you. Smiley face, kiss, kiss.
Cool. And that's no.
Will Tracy Druce says, will our wedding successfully go ahead in August?
Oh, this is a tough one for the pendulum. Yes.
Amelia Marsh Wardle says, will my children get more support that's needed? Or will our family holiday to Spain go ahead this year?
What does the pendulum think? And that's no. And that's no.
Okay. Becky, I can't. Sigourney, I never get that name right. Becky Sigourney. Becca says, is Toffee happy? And if so, is she trying to kill us just for the fun of it?
This is her horse, by the way.
This is Becca's horse.
Let's have a zoom in on that one. Oh, isn't that nice? So see what the pendulum says on that one. That's yes. And that's no. I'm sure that the horse is not trying to kill you, but okay.
Okay. Was Junior a velociraptor in a past life? That's Becca again. And that is Junior.
Supposedly Julia bites a lot. So we'll be asking that question. See what the pendulum thinks. And that's no.
Simon Ross says, are you going to stream it live?
Well,
I'm going to take that as a no.
We can do that without the pendulum. Don't have to be psychic on that one, Ross.
Okay. Rita Needham says, will I still go on my holiday to the USA?
A lot of people are worried about travel at the moment, so this was a good question. Let's see what the pendulum says. Yes.
Kelly Heslop says, am I going to Vegas in July?
Another travel question. That's yes. Will Vegas be able to accept you is the question.
And finally, Jessica Sword says, will I be able to drive again by June 2020?
Okay, so see what the pendulum says. Have you got any... Doreen has asked a question.
All right, yes.
And her question is, will the land, when is the land going to be completed? And this is to do with an ongoing project.
Is that a yes or no question?
Well, sort of. What month then? So we'll go through the months, March, April, May, and see if there's a yes or no comes out on the pendulum for that to be completed. When it's completed to sell the land at McGabry. Okay, Holly asked a question as well, and that was, will her daughter be going to the school? So let's see what the pendulum goes on that one. Yes. Brilliant. Well, thanks, Lucas, for helping us out today. Something a little bit different. We're doing the pendulum of doom. Bit of fun. Doom. Yeah. Well, it's doom question, isn't it? It's good or bad, isn't it? Sort of thing. And what you do find is with emotions attached, you can sway the pendulum. So that's why I got Lucas to speak the questions today, because it's not, then I'm not feeding the questions as I do the pendulum and getting the answers for you. There's 39 different ways to use the pendulum. It's a very good tool to use, and it's quite interesting and fun to answer those questions that you've probably longed to know about. But do be aware that if Spirit World are playing with us, or they might give us an answer that we believe is right or wrong. So what I always say is go with your heart. If it feels right in your heart, then that's a way to know whether the question has been answered properly. Okay, well, thanks very much. Do check out my other 385 videos helping you on your spiritual journey. And my son is laughing at me because
385.
I have got 385 videos. All right then, well, thanks very much, Lucas, for your help today, and we'll see you again. And that's no.